Rolls Royce Cullinan behind me. This is the version 3 of the 1016 Industries body kit. Version 3 is really the upgraded front bumper. This is the first one in the world with the new updated front bumper. It is super sleek. It has more straight lines going on, and now we are able to place the LED DRL light in an actual location instead of inside the bumper. So this is much cleaner look. I'm very, very happy with this bumper design now. It looks super clean. And then on top of it, the first ever black badge carbon fiber on the exterior of a Rolls Royce. The black badge carbon fiber, if you guys don't know, is what comes standard in the black badge edition of the Rolls Royce. It's a special carbon fiber that is special to Rolls Royce. We were able to, with 1016, have them create pieces for the exterior of the car. There's 3 pieces on the front, in the middle grille section, and then we got the DRL surrounds over there that hold the black badge carbon. We also have the side skirts as well. We'll walk over there. We got the side skirts down here having the black badge carbon. That's dirt. It follows through here. And then really the bigger piece of the puzzle is the rear end. Has 3 different pieces. You got obviously the trunk spoiler in black badge carbon fiber, and then the bottom too as well. As you can see, the diffuser, and then the upper molding as well. And you got side vents in that carbon fiber. So this truly makes sense now for the Rolls Royce, because until now people were putting carbon fiber regular 2x2 weaves, and they were doing forged carbon fiber. But this looks incredible on it, makes a lot of sense, and it looks great. We have the RDB zeros on there. Believe it or not, these are stock fitment Rolls Royce wheels. We had to put big spacers on them. That's why the front is a little bit weak, so don't judge us on that. These were temporary wheels that we put on to shoot it for you guys. So yeah, this is a really, really nice black Cullinan. Obviously this kit will look even crazier with a white color, a lighter color, because then you can see all that new black badge carbon on there. If you have a older 1016 kit, you can actually put these pieces on your body kit. You could also do a front bumper upgrade if you guys want. So anybody with a Cullinan, we know the new one's coming out, but if you got the older one and you want to do a nice wide body, or you want to upgrade your old wide body, hit us up, we do all that stuff.
All right, you guys remember this beautiful Porsche Cayman S. You guys are very familiar with this car. We did this body kit, obviously the kit, the wheels. Car's back now for a little minor stuff. We're gonna go ahead and change out the headlights. As you guys can see, his headlights are completely different. Nice, all black inside. We're gonna put these on to give it a little bit more of a nicer look. And we're also gonna try to see if the client wants to go ahead and do a little lift kit suspension in the front, because it's very, very low. He's having a hard time going to places. He wants to enjoy the car, so we're gonna make it actually drivable, so every time he wants to put the front end up, he could do it. So that's what we're doing.
What are we working on? We're doing body work on this one because it has a damage in the right, left. I'm sorry. We have a damage in the front and rear left side. This is class Mercedes. So we have to waiting for parts and we go from there.
We are standing in front of this beautiful white Porsche Taycan. Unfortunately, it was in a wreck, as you can see here. It has all these marks. The hood is indented in, the bumper as well. This car unfortunately went and rear-ended somebody and it went under the vehicle. That's why it pushed all this down and caused significant damage, honestly. So he is going through insurance. In this type of case, whenever you hit somebody and they're gonna go through insurance to fix everything, normally you definitely wanna go through insurance so it covers any injuries that may come up later, that kind of stuff. So insurance will be backing you. You never want to try to handle that yourself, customer pay, whatever, because you could fall into a lot of trouble and they could even file a claim later on you. So it's going through insurance, of course. Bumper has a hole in it. As you can see, there's probably a lot of damage going on internally as well, because bumpers are designed to get hit, go in and come back out. So there's going to be damages inside there as well, maybe the headlights, stuff like that. This customer had a previous accident on the back quarter panel as well. He is fixing that at the same time as this. So yeah, insurance claims, whatever you want, RDB can take care of it.
Bang. There you guys have it. Yeah.
You like it better than the other one?
Yeah, it's a big difference, you guys. Big upgrade. It's much nicer than the other ones. You guys can see it's all black inside. It's a much nicer light. Fits the description and the whole purpose of the build, so looks nice. I love it. He's gonna like it too. And this light doesn't work though. Huh? He just touched it and it worked, so he did something wrong.
Yeah, I tried to. It doesn't lock. I don't know why.
You know scan that, right? For download your installation. Right.
Read it one more time. But read it this way over here. Okay,
Scan
like
to
come look
down.
here. No, give it. Okay, read it. Read it.
I need my glasses.
Come closer and read it.
No,
Just
I
come
need
like
my
come
glasses.
closer. Okay, here. Look.
Dice, ¿puedes tú bajar tu instalación, tu guía de instalación?
English.
Scan to download your installation. Right.
There we go.
Hey, I'm not Luis.
What?
I'm not Luis.
I know.
Oh my god, you're lying.
No, it's me, no Luis.
I can read.
Oh my god. Just read it.
I can't read.
No, he needs the glasses.
Oh, you come here.
Okay.
Come. Read that.
Scan to download your installation, right?
Yeah, it's better. Marvin, read this.
Scan to download your installation. Ah, no sé cómo se dice guía.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys tell me which one was better English.
Well.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful Ferrari SF90 Spider over here. This is gray on a red interior Spider. This is a very, very nice spec, and it's a very, very nice car. One of my favorite, more recent supercars out there. Unfortunately, he scraped the front bumper a little bit. As you can see, it's got some scrapes. You know, it was his little user fault. He was edging forward a little bit at a red light, didn't realize, and then scraped the front of an SUV. So we're gonna be fixing all that for him and painting it. Newer Ferrari paint is a little bit on the softer, weaker side. They don't put as many layers as they used to, and we're gonna pretty much fix this up for him. So yeah, whether it's a small thing or a giant, massive accident, it doesn't matter. Whether it's insurance or customer pay, doesn't matter. We are very, very experienced on the high-end cars, but we fix also the low-end cars. It doesn't matter. So come to RDB. All right, let's get straight into this drift McLaren being built in 100 days. It's a 650S McLaren GT3 P1 GTR combined, which is like nuts. He's putting a 3-rotor engine in it. It's a really, really cool build to follow, to be honest.
How much power is that gonna push out?
1,000 horsepower.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.